Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting repeat spam messages so you know what to block. Open Outlook, go to Settings and Mail, then Junk Email, add the sender addresses and whole domains to the blocked list. Once done, messages from those sources are routed to junk automatically. Make sure to check both web and desktop Outlook since rules can differ. This immediate action removes most recurring spam while you move on to deeper filters and safe sender adjustments. Next, create targeted rules to catch messages that slip through blocked senders. In Outlook, choose Rules, Manage Rules, and create a new rule using subject keywords, phrases, or domain matches, then select Move to Junk or Delete as the action. Once done, test each rule with sample emails and make sure rule precedence is correct. Outlook processes top to bottom, so place stricter rules higher. By combining keyword filters with domain blocks, you reduce false negatives while keeping important mail flowing. Finally, enable Outlook's higher spam filter aggressiveness and turn on two-factor authentication to protect your account from being abused for sending spam. Report spam messages using the report feature so Microsoft learns patterns. Additionally, consider creating alias addresses for signups or installing a vetted third-party spam filter for extra layers. If legitimate email lands in junk, whitelist the sender and adjust rules. If problems persist, clear cache, rerun rules, and contact support as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.